In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Chrysler 200 key fob. This key fob just takes one CR2032 battery that you can get online. I have left a link in the description to pick one up on Amazon for just a couple bucks, and then you just follow along and change your battery yourself at home. It's very simple. Just going to look right here to this little slot on the side of the key fob. Go ahead and take something that is going to fit in there like a flathead screwdriver. Insert it in. Hold the key fob firmly and just give a little twist until we have started to open this thing up. And then I like to just go in that opening, twisting, working my way through until it's free. It comes apart like that. Go ahead and set that to the side. Remove this rubber part right here. And now we can just take the same tool and just go under the battery, push in, kind of lift it up, and it pops out nicely. Take a new CR2032 battery, make sure this positive side goes face down, and we just position it, push it down, and that's really all it takes. We just now put it all back together. Put the rubber component on, make sure it sits in place, put this on top, and just push it all back together. And with a click, you're all done. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a like or leave us a comment. And for more information on changing the batteries on key fobs from any maker model, go ahead and check out our other videos on YouTube or go to fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.